Hi, today we have a Seat Cupra with a 2-liter TSI engine. I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs. First I'm going to remove this plastic cover on top of the engine. After that we have to open these 4 nuts with 10mm wrench and also disconnect these 4 connectors of the ignition coils. Next I'm going to open these 4 bolts that hold the ignition coils, also with 10mm wrench. We have removed the ignition coils. Now you have to be very patient because they sometimes can be stuck a little, and if you pull it out immediately you will rip off this rubber here, and then the ignition coil will no longer work. When you remove them, pull it out just a little, wait for a while, then again, and then you can remove them. So now I'm going to remove the spark plugs with a 16mm wrench. If I remove the spark plugs, now we can see the condition of the spark plugs. I can tell that they can go more mileage, but the owner wants to replace them. This is the part number. So now I'm going to install them, tighten it with 16mm wrench. Spark plugs are tightened, so now I can install the ignition coils. I have to move the cables a little so I can push the ignition coils all the way in. And now I can install the bolts, tighten them with 10mm wrench. So now I can reconnect the grounding points, and also I can connect the ignition coils. And I can install the 4 nuts with 10mm wrench. Now I can return the plastic cover on top of the engine. And I can start the engine. Everything is working perfectly. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.